thumbnail that we're gonna sharpen some blades today. So show you what we got going on here and show you how I just started doing my own blades. And that's an old blade, rust on it. We're gonna get it together though, but I just started doing my blades. I'm gonna show you my process.
Start smoking.
Alright, first things first. Now you see where the bubble is. So that bubble lets you know it's even. And the reason why you want to know that it's even is because you want the blades balanced. Now, like I say, I'm not the best with blades, but I've watched tons of guys have gone off them, and a lot of those guys I watch never stirred me wrong. They've been in the business for a while. So you want that balance, and the reason why you want that balance is because you want to sit this on here, which is my blade balancer. So when I get done, see, it ain't nothing but a little simple contraction. Got this off Amazon. It's from Oregon. So you can get them, man. They're really cheap. It's a blade balancer. I try to put the link in the description, man, if I remember after doing this video for you guys. So want to make sure you got that so we can balance those blades out. And we got an old blade right here that we're gonna work with. I'm gonna show you. All right, so I was using this at first. 4.5 36 grit, and I started getting the 4.5 40 grit. So I was watching a lot of guys with the 40 grit, so I decided I'm gonna go with the 40 grit and see what it's gonna do compared to this 36. So I'm gonna put it on my angle grinder here in a second, and we'll get it again. Another thing you guys want to have when doing this is some proper equipment. You're gonna need your pair of glasses, pair of gloves. You want to keep your eyes protected because you're gonna have stuff flying off, man, and you don't want it flying off in your eyes. So keep your eyes protected, man, when doing it. Get your nice pair of glasses. Make sure my vice got everything nice and tight, like it should be. And we'll get to it. And notice I flip to the back because I want to hit this little backside right here. So now what we want to do is put it right here on the balancer, and we're going to see if it's balanced out. So we'll switch it up. I'll let you guys get. So this is how we looking on the balancer, guys. And that was first cut for real. So probably take just a little bit off her, but we'll see. I'll knock a little bit off and we'll see if we can get it straight. It's gonna take a little bit off though, but we'll just get back to when I get it back. And if you can see right there, I still hit it down at an angle. So it's just some practice, guys. The RBG 712 is the best thing that you could probably get. You could just put your blades in that sharper with no problem. You're already ready to go. So everybody can afford them though. I know how it is. So get the rest of these blades done and get back with you in just 1 second. Alright guys, now you see how it is. See the angle I hit. Alright then guys, you basically get the concept. I'm not gonna keep these blades because, well, they look decent. I can still mow with them, but see the nicks on this? So avoid all the rocks you can also when mowing grass. Those rocks tear up your blades, knock your blades, and have your blades messed up. So watch hitting rocks with these. I'll show you the grinder I use also. So most all my stuff is DeWalt, but this grinder comes from Harbor Freight, and actually this is the one I've been using right here, as you can see. And I got another one right here that I bought. I bought this one last year, and since they're so cheap, just $9 when they're on sale, why not buy two? You get your money worth out of it. So guys will charge you $10 a blade. You sharpen your blades, you get a grinder for $10. Make you a simple setup and you knock your stuff out, man. So that's the grinder I use. Harbor Freight Warrior grinder 4.3. And like I say, on here I gotta see the 40 grit. 40 grit on there. 40 grit 4.5. So I'll sharpen with. Like I say, this is my vise. Got this from Harbor Freight also. Just bolted it to the table. It's down there, it ain't going nowhere. And that's what I use to balance my blades. But I'm gonna end up getting one of the wall mount balancers with the magnet. It comes from Oregon. I think I want one of those. I think it'll be better for me. Probably make me more quicker, more efficient. But that's how I sharpen my blades, man. So you guys, how often do you sharpen your blades? And in a minute, I'm gonna have a great video with the gold blades. So the 61's down, like I say, man. Blew the engine on a mistake I made after getting it out the shop. They told me to pay attention to something, so the 61's down. It'll be back soon, and I'm gonna put the gold blades on there. So guys, I'm out of here. On your lawn service, and I'll holler at you in the next one.
Start smoking.